Hello students, welcome to Software's classes. Today we'll be solving the Civil Engineering GATE exam paper of year 2018. We'll be solving question number 6 from the Engineering Mathematics portion of the paper. In question number 6 it has been said, we need to find out the solution at x equal to 1 of the differential equation d square y by dx square plus twice y dy dx plus y is equal to 0, subject to the boundary conditions y0 is equal to 1 and dy dx 0 is equal to minus of 1. So we have been given that d square y by dx square plus twice dy dx plus y equal to 0. We can write it in another form like d square plus twice of d plus 1 into y is equal to 0. So this can be written down as d plus 1 whole square y is equal to 0, and that would imply that d is equal to the value minus 1 and minus 1. So this is repeated over here, and if such a repeated value exists, then complementary function CF will take the structure C1 e to the power minus x plus x C2 into e to the power minus x. So that implies that y of x is equal to C1 e to the power minus x plus C2 x e to the power minus x. This is y of x. So now we need to find out the constants C1 and C2. So boundary condition y is that y of 0 is equal to 1. So that implies if you put x equal to 0, so this will give us C1 is equal to 1. Now if we put that dy, now let us find out the value of y dash x. So y dash of x, this will give us minus C1 e to the power minus x plus C2 into e to the power minus x minus x e to the power minus x. So therefore dy dx 0 equal to minus 1 gives us that minus of C1 plus C2 is equal to minus of 1. Now we know that C1 is equal to 1. So that is implies that minus 1 plus C2 is equal to minus 1. So that implies that C2 is equal to 0. So if this is the case, then we can write that y of x is equal to C1 is equal to 1. So this is equal to e to the power minus of x, e to the power minus of x, and C2 is 0. So yx is equal to e to the power minus x. So now we need to find out y to the power 1. So y to the power 1 is nothing but e to the power of minus 1, which is equal to 1 by e, and which is equal to 0.368, which is the correct answer. So today we have solved question number 6 of the engineering mathematics portion of civil engineering paper of year 2018. With this we have solved all the engineering mathematics question from the civil engineering GATE exam paper of year 2018 of the morning shift. We'll be solving the engineering mathematics question of the afternoon shift of the same branch at the subsequent videos. So till then, keep watching Software's classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.